Hey, the world. I do greet you from wherever you're tuning in. I am JK as usual. Today, I want to take you so fast on this. These are box braids. These are kinky box braids. This is one of the most long lasting hairstyle and it is very, very protective. These are threes. And as you can see, I've already braided most of the part, the biggest part. I just want to show you the basics of how to start these threes. These kinky box braids. As usual, I tell you, you have to use this kind of comb. It's a tail comb. It has a tail and it's pointed. The tail is pointed at the last. And here is how you section your hair using, of course, don't forget the use of gel. Use gel to help you grip your hair so well. And this is how you do after sectioning your box. You cut this small box into three portions, into three parts, and then you get your braids, your kinky. And of course, you have to make it into three parts also, so that these three parts, each one will have to fit on the three parts of the hair you sectioned from your box. This is how you do it. Hope you can see well what I'm doing right here. This is one of the most long-lasting hairstyle and it's washable. It's very, very light and of course it's protective. People love this hairstyle and if you are there, you can also try it out. Please stick with me. There is a lot that you're gonna see. Just starting here, I'm gonna show you on just one box because there's a lot I want to show you ahead after this. And then you start right away with braiding your hair in threes just like this. This is the way you grip it, and don't be too hard on your client because you might cause a hair to break. Remember, you have to be gentle and you don't have to be so tight on the hair. This hair still long lasts, and it doesn't mean that if you make it, if you are too tight or if you put in much energy, it doesn't mean that it's going to long last. No, just have to put enough energy when you are braiding this, and this is how you braid it. Make sure you are loose. The hands have to be flexible. Most people make it so tight and others make it so loose. No, don't make it so loose and make it so tight. Just be in the middle. That's how you're gonna get the results, because these strands or these brides, I mean, yeah, these brides have to be like light. They have to be a little bit bouncy, so make sure you are not too tight and of course not too loose. So here I'm winding up with this one I started, and then I'm gonna show you how I wind up this at the end. You have to make it neat, and this is a secret that most people don't know how they do it. Then after when you are done down here, you get your crochet hook and make it just like this. This is how I make this ending look wow and neat, and it doesn't of course get disorganized with all it long lasts. It takes its time there. By the time you open this here after 3 months, 4 5, it's your strand will still be looking neat and nice. This hair is repairable. You can repair it. As I've already told you, it's repairable and it's so protective. As you know me, I always bring you protective hairstyles. And then after this, what I'm doing here, we're gonna have to use scissors. Make sure you have scissors with you, and then you go on cutting off these dead ends to make it more neater and to remove these unnecessary hairs on the sides. Yeah, I am JK as usual, as the CEO of Hair Crown UG, and of course a professional hairdresser and a hairstylist. Look at how quick I've styled this. I was outside, I wasn't in salon, I was at a mobile service, and here the time had gone, it had darkened up. That's why my lighting is not so well, but I hope you can see the results. This is a quick styling. I styled her like this and she loved it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me end here. I love you so much, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. More videos are coming. We upload videos every single day. Thank you for loving Hair Crown UG. See you in another video tomorrow.